how you can travel the world and have the ultimate lifestyle as an affiliate marketer promoting other people's products. So as you can see over here, this is my IG. This is where you can find me later after watching this video, of course. You see over here, right? Those are the results that you can achieve if you take making money online, passive income, affiliate marketing very, very seriously, right? You can see over here, right? Now, what I'm trying to tell you is your life, my life, is very short, right? We have maybe 10 years, 20 years, 50 years more to live. So, as you can see over here, right? All this is possible if you take this business, this online business, this online affiliate marketing with ClickBank, with MaxWeb, very, very seriously, okay? So as you can see over here, right, those are all the travels, crazy things we do every single month. Not year, every single month. All right, you can see first class, Emirates, all right, all these crazy things that you can achieve if you take action now, right? So as you're watching this video right now, you may be thinking, okay, what can I do? What can I do to have this kind of results as you can see over here, right, on my screen? What you need to do is this. Let me show you over here. All right, let's go straight into it. So the first thing is you need a traffic. So what is traffic? Traffic are audiences of people, eyeballs, okay, eyes of people watching your ads, watching your blog, watching your website. All right, so traffic, opt-in page, which is landing page or a website or a blog page, advertorial, right? And then what we have here, my friend, is one-time offer. For example, on ClickBank, we have a $50 to $100 weight loss supplement. So maybe this person gonna buy the supplement, but if they don't buy it, my secret strategy is to get them on automated email list, email marketing, email follow-up marketing, right? So why we do that? Because as you know, maybe sometimes I buy a water, maybe sometimes I buy iPhone, maybe sometimes I buy perfume, but when I'm exposed to the ad, right? When I see the ad on Google, when I see the ad on Facebook, when I see the ad on YouTube, I don't buy. What happens? Me, as an advertiser, I lost money, right? Because I got eyeballs, but I did not capture the leads. A very important secret is capture the leads first. Okay? We capture the leads, we got them into the email list, and then we can follow up with them over and over again. And that's how, my friend, you can make passive recurring commissions, right? That's the whole strategy. Now, the next thing is, which means, right, if you hate money, if you wanted not to make money, you would do lots of different things. You would not get any help. You would make excuses. You would put bullshit out there. I don't have enough money. I make all the mistakes on your own. I would repeat all my mistakes and I would never change. Okay? That's what stupid people do. And I know you are smart because you are watching this video right now. And I believe in you because I know that you are not that stupid to make these crazy mistakes as people. 99% of people make these kind of crazy, stupid little mistakes that put them away from the success that they deserve. Alright? So, right now, as you're watching this video, let me tell you this. What separates the rich or the wealthy from the broke or poor, right? from my personal observation, is leverage. The rich people say, yes, please, give me the coaching. Yes, please, give me the one-on-one mentorship. But the broke people, the poor people say, I will do it myself. It's cheaper. I will save $3,000. I will save $10,000. I will save it. You see? You see the difference here? The rich people say, yes, please, give me the ultimate coaching. I will pay whatever it takes. But poor people say, the broke people say, I will do it myself. Because it's cheaper. I don't have to invest in my coach. Look at Michael Jordan, Ronaldo, all these big names in sport, athletes, they all have coach. They all have someone as a mentor who guide them through step by step along the way, right? But why not you? What is your excuse? What is your procrastination? Alright? So as you're watching this video right now, what you can do next step is, as you can see over here, right? You can connect with me one-on-one. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can like this video. And below this video are all the links to my Instagram, Facebook, WhatsApp, email, right? And you can connect with me personally. You can also join my private email list for hot tips and step-by-step guiding. So all the links are below in this description below this video, right? So you can subscribe to my channel, you can like this video, and after watching this video, you can connect with me one-on-one. If you have at least 500 to 5,000 US dollars to start real online business, right? So see you on the other side.